Health benefits of soursop leaf, wildcrafted sea moss gel, burdock root, stinging nettles, and ginger. This video is for informational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. Medicinal plants and nutrient-dense superfoods have played pivotal roles in traditional healing systems across cultures. Among these, soursop leaf, Annona muricata, wildcrafted sea moss gel, burdock root, Arctium lappa, stinging nettles, Urtica dioica, and ginger, Zingiber officinale, are commonly used for their potential health-promoting properties. This video reviews their benefits, including antioxidant activity, immune support, digestive health, and anti-inflammation. Soursop leaf, botanical background. Soursop, also called guanabana or graviola, Annona muricata, is a tropical evergreen tree whose leaves and fruit are used in traditional medicine. Potential health benefits: antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Extracts of soursop leaf include phytochemicals like flavonoids and tannins that can neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. Anti-cancer potential. Preliminary research shows that soursop leaf extracts can inhibit cancer cell growth in laboratory models, though human trials are lacking. Traditional uses. In many cultures, soursop leaf tea is used to support digestion, manage inflammation, and boost immunity, though evidence in humans remains limited. Cautions. Some natural compounds in soursop, like acetogenins, are linked to neurotoxicity in laboratory studies. Moderation and medical guidance are advised. Next, wildcrafted sea moss gel. Sea moss gel is made by soaking and blending wild-harvested sea moss, often Irish moss Chondrus crispus or Gracilaria spp, into a gel used as a supplement. Key benefits: rich mineral profile. Sea moss contains many of the minerals the body requires, including iodine for thyroid function, magnesium, iron, potassium, and calcium. Immune support. Vitamins and antioxidants in sea moss may enhance immune resilience and protect against oxidative stress. Digestive health. Mucilaginous compounds act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and soothing the digestive tract. Thyroid and metabolism. Iodine content promotes healthy thyroid hormone production, which supports metabolic balance. Skin and recovery. The combination of minerals may help support skin vitality and tissue repair. Next, burdock root. Traditional herbal role. Burdock root, Arctium lappa, has a long tradition in both European and Asian herbal medicine as a blood cleanser and detoxifying agent. Health benefits: antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Burdock root contains compounds like quercetin and phenolic acids that neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. Digestive support. It is rich in prebiotic fibers like inulin, which promote beneficial gut bacteria and may help stabilize blood sugar. Skin health. Traditional herbal practice uses burdock for skin conditions such as eczema and acne, possibly due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Potential chronic disease support. Limited clinical findings suggest potential utility in inflammatory conditions such as osteoarthritis. Evidence gap. Human clinical data are limited. More studies are needed to confirm many health claims. Next, stinging nettles. Nutritional and pharmacological properties. Stinging nettle leaves are a nutrient-rich herbal plant traditionally used as food and medicine. Documented benefits: anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Nettles show anti-inflammatory and antioxidative activities, potentially helping conditions like arthritis and allergies. Cardiovascular support. Nettle may exert hypotensive effects and potentially help regulate blood lipid profiles. Anti-ulcer and anti-proliferative. Research highlights proliferative, cell growth modulating effects and improved gastrointestinal protection. Nutritional density. Nettles supply vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that support general health. Next, ginger. Historical use. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, has been used for millennia to treat conditions ranging from digestive discomfort to inflammatory disorders. Health benefits: digestive ease. Ginger is well known for its ability to reduce nausea and improve overall digestion. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Bioactive compounds like gingerols have anti-inflammatory properties that may help arthritis and muscle pain. Immune support. Its compounds may boost resistance against pathogens and help manage symptoms of respiratory infections. Circulation and metabolic effects. Ginger may enhance circulation and aid in metabolic regulation. Conclusion and safety considerations. Collectively, soursop leaf, wildcrafted sea moss gel, burdock root, stinging nettles, and ginger have a rich history in traditional healing and several promising biological activities supported by research. They may offer immune support, digestive health benefits, anti-inflammatory effects, antioxidant activity, and nutrient density. However, rigorous clinical trials in humans are still limited for many of these herbs, and potential risks, including interactions with medications and neuroactive compounds in soursop, warrant cautious use and medical consultation before routine supplementation. Please enjoy the following recipes for each herb first. Soursop leaf tea recipe. Ingredients: 5 to 7 dried soursop leaves, 4 cups water. Optional, raw honey or cinnamon stick. Instructions: rinse leaves thoroughly. Bring water to a boil. Add leaves and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and let cool slightly. Sweeten if desired. Wellness uses: immune support, antioxidant properties, relaxation and digestion. Next, burdock root tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons dried burdock root, 4 cups water. Instructions: bring water to a boil. Add burdock root. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Roots need longer. Strain and serve warm. Wellness uses: liver and blood support, digestive health, skin clarity. Next, stinging nettle tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried nettle leaves, 2 to 3 cups hot water. Instructions: place nettle leaves in a cup or teapot. Pour hot but not boiling water over leaves. Steep 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Wellness uses: mineral-rich, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Joint and inflammation support. Seasonal allergy support. Next, ginger tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 2 inches fresh ginger sliced, 3 cups water. Optional, lemon and honey. Instructions: bring water to a boil. Add ginger slices. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add lemon or honey if desired. Wellness uses: digestive aid, anti-inflammatory, immune and circulation support. Next, wildcrafted sea moss gel recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup dried wildcrafted sea moss, spring or filtered water. Instructions: rinse sea moss thoroughly to remove debris. Soak in spring water for 12 to 24 hours. It will expand. Drain and rinse again. Blend with fresh spring water until smooth gel forms. Store in a glass jar in the refrigerator up to 2 to 3 weeks. Wellness uses: mineral support, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. Gut and immune health. Skin and joint nourishment. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship, today. Thanks for watching.